Hello SwimWest families, this is Dawn and this video will show you how you can mark your student absent and schedule makeup lessons using our parent portal. Please go to swimwest.com. In the upper right hand corner you will see Parent Portal. Please click there. There'll be a welcoming message and then you'll be able to enter in your email address and your password. If you don't know your password, please go ahead and click Reset Password, or if you've never logged into the portal before, just go ahead and click Reset Password and we will send you the link to your email address. If you have any difficulty, please give us a call. We just need to verify maybe we don't have your email address on file correctly. So just give us a call if you have any trouble. Let me get logged in here so I can show you. Okay, hopefully I've typed that right. Okay, I'm in. So here's our parent portal. If you click in the upper right hand corner on the hamburger menu, more options will open up, and the one we're looking for today is absences and makeups. So from this page, click Submit an Absence. You can select your students. I just have Jacob here, and then you're going to select the date range that he's going to be missing class. So Jacob's just going to miss this Thursday because he has a dentist appointment. Please type a brief reason why you're going to be missing class. If you don't put anything in there and we've noticed that you've missed 2 or more classes, we're going to give you a call just to check in. Then click Next Step. All right, so here's where you can confirm. So I'm going to mark that Jacob will be missing class this Thursday. If you've got multiple students or you've marked multiple weeks, you could use the Check All Classes option as well. Then click Submit. And there we go. We've successfully marked Jacob absent for this Thursday. Now, to schedule a makeup lesson, click on View Schedule Impacts. And here's the class that Jacob's going to be missing, and we are eligible for a makeup because we did report it ahead of time. If you fail to let us know that you're going to be missing class, you won't be eligible for a makeup lesson, but we can still give you a family swim pass. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Schedule Makeup. Now it will only show me classes today through tomorrow. We are not able to schedule makeups further out than a day ahead. It will also only show me classes that are going to be happening at the location that I'm typically attending at. So I'm only seeing here one class at our Demingway location today here at 4 o'clock. If you don't see an option, please give us a call because we can always check our other location or we can always try to work something out. So then I'm going to go ahead and select this class and click Submit. There's my confirmation message. I will also be receiving an email confirmation as well. If you do need to make a change, please give us a call. You unfortunately are not able to cancel your absences or your makeups in the portal yourself. You will have to call for assistance, and that number is 831-6829. If you don't call and you do miss your makeup lesson or you don't show, you're just going to be forfeiting your makeup. So please call us if you do need to make a change. Thank you so much.